In this video, I will show you how to make Google Docs read to you. So if you have content, so guys, you need Google Docs read your document. You want to listen your text. So click on this plus icon and type here web store. Click on extension. Now here search Chrome Box. This one screen reader. Select it, and this is the by Google. A screen reader for the web. Select it, then click on Add to Chrome, add extension. Now wait for a few seconds. Now click here, pin it. So if you want to listen your text in Google Docs, firstly select. Now click on your paragraph. So this is the way you can let Google Docs read to you using this Chrome extension. So thanks for watching guys. This is the way you can let Google Docs read to you.